Okay, let us create a dining table, ha? Using rectangle. Pick natin to, or di kaya sa keyboard. Rectangle, pick here. No, 800, comma by 1,200. Ayan siya, pick. Let us place that on center. Okay, then repeat, rectangle tayo. Pick here, then measurement is around 400 by 400. Pick, enter, yan na siya. Then we have to move this. Move natin siya. So, select the object, pick here, then dun sa corner banda, no? Pick natin, ayan na siya ngayon. Then we have to move this again para sa kanyang distance at around 100. So, displacement is 100, ayan na siya ngayon. Magiging distance between each other ay 100, ha? Pare-pareho yan. Then, i-array natin siya. Array command, then select na natin yung object. Okay, then column, number of columns is 3. 3 lang, no? 3. Then spacing between column is around 700. Okay, then after that is the rows. Number of rows is 4. Then natin 4. Then the spacing between rows is 700. Gawin na rin natin 700 para pare-pareho siya. Okay, ito na magiging resulta na siya ngayon. Then we have to place this on center. So all we have to do is to move this. So sinukat natin siya para may gitna. So pumatak ng around 1,350 ang displacement niya. Okay, ayan na siya ngayon. So magre-remove tayo dyan, but before we remove that, we have to explode this. Explode muna natin, then saka tayo mag-remove or mag-erase. Erase natin to, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, ayan na siya ngayon. Then para pare-parehong distance niya, we have to move this. So sukatin muna natin siya. Okay, kailangan matira lang is 100. Sukatin natin to. Ayan. So kunin natin yung distance. Kailangan matira 100 lang. So this is 210. So i-move natin ng 110. Pick this one, then type mo 110. Ayan, okay na siya. Then this one again, sukat uli. Tignan natin kung anong distance nito. This is 130. O gawin mo ng distance nito ay 40 ang i-move natin. Move natin ng 40. O equal distance na siya. Dining table. Okay?